We live in the era of smart connectivity. That's why we've partnered with Ring to bring the convenience of smart technology right into your yard. Illuminate your landscape with intuitive control and added safety. Ready to make your landscape lighting smart? Let's dive into the setup process. First, we need to connect the Ring bridge to your Wi-Fi. Simply plug it into a power outlet and use the Ring app to connect to your Wi-Fi network. This bridge acts as a link between your lights and the Ring app. Next, connect your Ring transformer or smart plug to the Ring bridge. With the Ring app, you can easily pair these devices to your bridge. If you have an existing transformer, you can add connectivity by plugging it into the Ring smart plug. Then, connect your landscape lights to the Ring transformer. The Ring transformer acts as a power source for your lights and allows them to interact with the Ring system. With the basic setup complete, let's look at some amazing features. Use the Ring app on your phone to control your lights. Whether you're at home, at the office, or on vacation, you have the power to control your landscape lights in the palm of your hand. You can set schedules for your lights. Want your lights to turn on at dusk and off at dawn? No problem. Customize schedules to match your routine or simulate occupancy when you're away. With Ring, you can group your lights into zones. Have the patio lights separate from the garden lights, or group them all together. You have the flexibility to control each area independently or as a whole. An integration with Alexa brings voice control functionality. You can also set your lights to activate with motion, providing an additional layer of security for your home. When integrated with Ring security cameras or doorbells, your landscape lights can turn on whenever motion is detected, illuminating your property and potentially deterring unwanted visitors. Take control of your landscape lighting with our top-of-the-line fixtures and Ring's innovative technology. Experience the transformation of your outdoor space into a smarter, more connected environment.